Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Tracy Wells with Divine Martha Learning Center, Preschool Online. You can find me at divmar.org. That's divmar.org. My glasses are falling off. You all like my glasses? I love them. My bunny ears. But anyway, so today's lesson is about the letter K. So I hope you're ready. What you'll need is a dry erase board, a dry erase marker, and your hands ready to draw. Are you ready to work? Okay. Now, let me show you the letter K. The letter K. Yes, the letter K. Uppercase K and the lowercase K. Can we make that sound? K, k, k. Okay. Let's look at the pictures over here. We have a koala, a kite, and a kangaroo. Koala, kite, kangaroo. K, k. All right. Now, let's trace the letter K. Uppercase. Let's start with the uppercase first. Line down, go to the middle, go up and stop, go back to the middle, and go down and stop. Pretty easy, right? I would think so. Now, let's go to the lowercase k, the small one. Let's go. So we're going to draw a line down, and then we're going to go to the middle, and then we're going to draw a stop, not all the way, not like we did with the uppercase. It's just going to be shorter. Then you're going to go to the middle again and draw a line down and stop. That's the letter K. Let's try making the K in the air. Line down, up, and down. K. K, K. Let me hear everyone say K, K. Good job. Give yourself a brain kiss. You did an excellent job with making that sound. All right. Let's make the lowercase k now. Line down, go up and stop, and down and stop. Good job. So now, I hope you have your dry erase board and your dry erase marker. We're going to draw the letter K now. I'm going to use green. All right. So now, K. Let's do it. K. That's K. That's the uppercase. And this is the lowercase K. Okay? Now, let's see if we can draw a kite. Line here. What shape is a kite? And then gonna draw some bows here, some triangles. So that should be pretty easy. Bows and a tail of the kite. And kite. That's a kite. So I am going to write the word kite. K I T E. K-I-T-E. Kite. This is our kite. Okay. Good job. So, I hope you enjoyed our lesson today with Divine Martha Learning Center, Preschool Online. I am Dr. Tracy Wells. You can find me at divmar.org, divmar.org. Also, if you would like to purchase a t-shirt, a Divine Martha Learning Preschool t-shirt, they're on sale on the website under the shop section. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.